This pneumatic robot, called CB2, has 51 pliant degrees of freedom, making it capable of flexible, lifelike movements and realistic vocal generation. To make it suitable for physical interactions with humans, it has a full-body soft skin and an array of multimodal sensors for visual, auditory and tactile feedback. CB2 is capable of childlike full-body motion. Tactile sensors are embedded in its silicon skin and mimic the way infants receive tactile sensations during motion. In other words, CB2 can simulate the very same developmental process that a child goes through when generating a self-body image.